These shortcuts are actually a little bit dangerous because, as Jung described, this is his basic structure, how he thought about our consciousness, what the consciousness is. There is a personal consciousness, that's anything I have in my awareness. Now I'm awake, I'm talking, I'm fully focused on you, I'm here, I can hear the noises around, and this is all in my field of consciousness. This is like 1% of our personality. 99% of our personality is completely unconscious. We don't know about it. It's somewhere hidden, and we are not able to bring it back without the effort. It's like the kid that have the complete consciousness, complete connection, but then you start to be taught by your parents, you don't do that, this is not done, you do that, yes, good boy, bad boy, and then all these things are getting narrower and narrower. Then you go to school, and already in the first grade your consciousness is like that. Then you have wife or husband, and then again, and until you are 40, 50 years old, your consciousness is narrow like that. You have 0, 0, 0, nothing of the completeness of your personality. But it didn't disappear, it's still in your unconsciousness. You are not aware of that. But it appears in situations that you don't want it to be there, when you are losing control, when you start arguing with your partner, when you lose your job. All these suppressed stuff will jump out of your unconsciousness and will affect you. 99% of our emotions, of our reactions to situations are robotic. We are androids. 99% of our life we do automatically. Even you think that it was your conscious decision. No, you were taught that this stuff it's necessary to be done. You are programmed, like you are in a matrix. Everything is programmed into your brain through education, through your parents, through the society. And then you don't live a full life, you live 1% of the life that you can live. And then there is a collective unconsciousness, and this is like a completeness of everything, of the whole universe. All the people, all the animals, everything is there, hidden. It's like a potential that can appear, and it's like a memory of all the people, everything what has been, what is now happening, and what will be, because time is not linear, it's only our perception. Everything is happening now. And you can tap into that unconscious. That's what people usually see when they get on psilocybin, LSD, or any other stuff. They sometimes see something from their own unconscious, personal unconscious. Sometimes they get even deeper. They can see memories of other people, of societies, of traditions. They can live through Second World War and have a bad trip. They can see how people are dying. There are terrible stuff that you can see. Everything would any time happen. It's there. It's like a memory. And then you can also see beautiful things. We call it good trip. If it's ecstatic state, a unity consciousness, you feel that, but you can't guide it. You can guide it if you practice some of these traditions. It doesn't need to be yoga. It can be Sufism. It can be any other, alchemy, Hermetism. All these traditions, their goal was to achieve that unity consciousness. And this collective unconsciousness, you can't compare it to your consciousness. You don't have a capacity to understand it. It's like you would like to download the whole internet into your mobile. It's impossible. You don't have a memory. Your nervous system can't survive if you are connected and you are not ready because your mind can't stand it. You are not ready for such an experience. That's why usually people don't remember these experiences. They have some feeling, they went through something, they have little pieces of the memory, but they can't see the whole stuff. And this is very important for psychology, because then you can see that you meet someone and he's irritating you. You don't know why. You just see that person and something in his behavior is just irritating to you. But if you are aware, if you know that, you can recognize that this is not his issue, this is your issue that you have somewhere in unconsciousness and it wasn't processed correctly. That's your problem, not the person problem. And if you meet your whole life same type of people, same situations, you find a partner that it's completely the same like the previous one, or only you see it after a year, it's not his fault, it's your fault. And that's the unconscious. 99% of our decision and behavior, it's completely unconscious.